Hello guys, this is Gabe from Steele Hyundai Fredericton. In this video I am going to show you how to use the level 3 charger in your Hyundai EV. So let's start. So specifically I am in this 2026 Hyundai Kona EV, and the same process that this process that I am going to describe you applies for any Hyundai EV, and I am going to show you. So first of all, I am going to open the charging port and move these caps, so I have everything ready to plug in my level 3 charger. I have this one that we have in our dealer. I take the cable and then I plug in and push, and you are going to feel like a click. Okay, right now it's with a click, and then I go to the charging port, and now charging station, and says that it's plugged, so I click in ready. In case of this one, because it's free, it's not going to ask me my credit card, so you wait a few seconds. Depending of the car, goes faster, and in a few seconds you are going to see the sound charging in the car. Again, depending of the charging station, goes faster or no. And then you are going
charging started.
All right, so it's charging. And also, how you notice it that it's charging, if you see here the lights, the car is charging. And also if you go inside the car, you are going to see that it's charging. And also, obviously, if you see the charging station, that is charging. So now I am going to do the inverse process. I am going to stop this. So in order to do that, click in cancel. Are you sure? Yes. Wait a few seconds, and then you are going to see that I am able to unplug the connector. And to unplug, just move it, put here, and then put this, close, and that's it. Your EV Hyundai is ready to drive. Alright, that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions or concerns, let me know. Have a great day.